Okay, so here is the Makita Cordless drill driver DF012DSE. Comes with two 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger. Here's the original Makita packaging sent from Makita warehouse in Sydney. This is what you get. Manual, charger. I've already taken this out and charged this battery that came in this little box. Has two double-sided Phillips. The second battery, which I've charged fully, it came 80% charged. There's a second compartment in here for all your tool screws and stuff. And finally, the driver, cordless drill driver. It comes with a battery installed with about 80% charge. Yeah, the buttons are locked here, unlocked here. There's 2 speeds. Hang on, I'll put a screw Phillips head in so you can see the speeds. You put this in and you pull that forward. Now, that's number 2 and that's number 1. Much slower. Very nice for sensitive items. Of course, it has the settings for not shearing your bolt heads and damaging your equipment. It has a switch for the light, which seems actually in a pretty good place compared to most tools. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This one I was waiting a month for it because there was no stock in the Makita warehouse in Australia. This is made 2020-06, so this is brand new off the line. I had it on pre-order. So there we are.